This is a 12-piece kitchen utensil set sent to me by Shuni King for me to review for you. Okay, so let's just check out the box here. Obviously there's the front there. It says high temperature resistant. They're easy to clean and mildew resistant. And the product is made of a silicone material on wood, and they will not damage your cookware. So that's another reason why I like these, because you can use them with your Teflon and they're not going to scratch up your pans, which is really nice. It says that they're comfortable and durable, and they're dishwasher safe, so they won't chip, warp, or melt like the old plastic kind. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and just take all of them out and we'll take a look at them. Okay, so this container here is plastic. It's a nice plastic with the kitchen set wording there. It says food and drinks, so it's kind of like your own little brand there. Of course, it's this gray color, and then in the bottom there are some holes there. So if you put your utensils in while they're still a little wet from washing, they're going to dry, right? Because the water will be able to come out the bottom. So that's really nice. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and take each of these out of their plastic, and then we'll take a closer look. So let's go over the different pieces that come in the kit. A slotted turner, a ladle, a spaghetti server, a slotted spoon, a wok spatula, spoon spatula, a solid spoon, pointed spatula, tongs, and a whisk, and a basting brush. Okay, so I've taken them all out of their packages, and there they are in their nice little container. This is really nice.